Okay, guys, thank you for joining us. And in the last session, as of now, in CCNA, we have completed our fundamentals about the CCNA, types of media and IC card. What is the IC card topology? What kind of topologies we are having? Mode of communication, like broadcasting, unicast, multicast, system communication, numbering system, what beat bytes, IP addressing, types of IP addressing, public IP, and the private IP ranges, and the classes of the IPs. Subnetting, we are going on to last in the last session we are completed FLSM in the class of the class C, right? And today we will go for the class A and class B, how to do FLSM with the class A and class B. Before that, we are also completed the TCP IP, TCP, UDP, and OSI layer. If you don't know about these all the things and you recently joined to us, then better just guys allow them. Okay, who is trying to join? If
Okay, sir.
Okay,
I will allow.
okay. So if you don't know about that, you guys can go to that my YouTube channel. That Firewall Cafe is my YouTube channel. Here we are having a playlist. In this playlist, we are having a CCNA. Okay, in this CCNA, you can find whatever that as of now we are completed. Okay, as of now, whatever we have completed, you'll get it. So from today onwards, we are going to understand about the FLSM. Okay, in the last session, we have completed the class C, how to do subnetting. Okay, so we are having a two types of way of submitting. Just admit other guys. Just admit them. Okay. So in the last session, what we have done in the FLSM only of the class C. So today we are going to do subnetting. Sub. Just admit. Just admit. Okay, guys, you're getting option to admit.
Sure. Sorry, sir. I will take care, sir.
Okay, please take care. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
okay. Since in the last session we completed class C, how to do subnetting. And before that, we are having two types of way to subnetting. Okay, first is guys, please mute yourself. First is a FLSM, second is a VLSM. FLSM we are doing. If FLSM will do today, VLSM will start by tomorrow. Okay. So before that, class C already completed. Class B and class A will do today. Okay. So I don't want to go, about this. About what about this one? How to what is that subnetting, why it is required, because already I completed in the previous video. Okay, so let's suppose we are having what we are having one of our class B. We'll do about the class B, how to do FLSM in the class B. Later we'll do the class A, how to do the subnetting in the class A. Okay, so first of all, let's suppose before that we'll have to class B. Okay, so class B in our net what is our network question, network dot host dot host dot host, right? Or network dot host or host, correct?
That's correct.
This is right. Two octet 16 bit is reserved
Yeah.
for network, and the remaining 16 bits are reserved for host, right? So that is a
Yes, sir.
class. By default, what is that our let's suppose I'm doing like 10.0.0.0.16/16. Okay, so in this slash 16, this is our by default. I'm taking this is our what? This is our base IP. Okay, this will be our base IP network ID. Okay. So in this, what we are going to do, and we'll go for with the slash 18. We are doing right by default is a 16. So we are doing slash 18. Okay. So in this slash 18, what we have to do first? First, we need to convert into the binary, right? 1.1.1.1.1. Why we are choosing the slash 18, why we are choosing 17, 18, whatever. If you go before this video, like previous video of this topic, you guys will understand. Okay, so 1.1.1, not 1.1.1. If you are converting the binary, first step, very first step will be a convert into binary. To what? Convert into binary means by default subnet will be, what will be the by default subnet? 255.255.255 dot not 255.0.0, right? So convert into the binary to this network. Okay, so when we are converting it, 1.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, dot dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, correct? Dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So by default, how many bits we are having into that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, right? So by default, how many bits we are having? 16 bits are reserved by default in the class B, right? So now our requirement is the 18 bits should be, we are just borrowing 2 bits from host to the network. So in this two octet, 2 bits, in this third octet, 2 bits will become a part of our network. Okay. So I borrowed 2 bits. The second one. So in the second one, what we will get it in this? We'll get as a new subnet mask. Okay. New subnet mask will be subnet mask. So new subnet mask. New subnet mask. So new subnet mask, what will be the Hussein? 255.255 dot. What will be the value for this both? 128, one and once and one 19. Sorry, 128 plus 64. What will be 192, right?
Yes, sir.
192.0, correct?
Yes.
This will be the our new one. Okay, the third one. Third step. Third step will be number of portion. Number of portion means how many bit we borrowed? 2 bits only. So 2 to the power 2 means total 4 portion will get, right? 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power just a minute.
Yeah.
2 to the power 2. Total equal to it will become 4 portion. Okay. We'll get a new network with the fourth portion. The fourth option will be our a valid IP addresses. Okay. So how many bits we are having in the host portion? So 8 bits for this last octet and 6 bit of this third octet. So 8 plus 6, 14, right? So if you go with the 2 to the power 14, so I'm just opening the calculator. Okay. Let me open the calculator. So calculator 2 to the power 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So total how many? 16,384, right? 16,384. Total valid in this one single network. How many with the with the CLI 18 with this new subnet mask? How many total users will connect with a single network ID? So 16,384, right? This is this one correct? 16,384 minus 2. You need to do minus 2. Why? Because one for the network address and one for a broadcast address. So valid one will be 16,382. End user. We can say like 16,382 users can connect. Okay. This will be our valid IP. Okay. So fifth step will be a block size. In the block size, what is our last value of this octet? 64, right? So block size will be a 64, correct? 64.0. Why? Because why 64.0? Because we borrowed from the third octet. So this is our third octet. Okay. After this will become our fourth octet, because in the fourth octet we didn't change anything, right? We didn't borrow any bits, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this will become like our fifth block size. So what will be the our block? In the block size. After that sixth step, if you check sixth step, what is our base network? 10.0.0.0, right? Plus 64, correct? Plus 64 because why 64? Because this is the last value, correct? This value, if you're taking if you 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 0. If you go through 2 to the power 6, the value will be the 64, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So we need
Yes,
to
sir.
add 64 in every octet. Okay, so 64. After that, 64.0, correct? So 64 along with 64.0. Okay. So this will be our base network. And what will be our network ID? Network. Okay. And what will be the our network ID will become our 10.0.0.0, and the broadcast ID will be, become broadcast ID. Broadcast ID will our 10.0.0. Not 10.0. 10.0.0. And 63 dot 255. Okay, this will be our, this will become our what, 255, correct? So this will become our broadcast. Again, if you go with like this, you need to add 10.0.0. In the third octet, 64, we need to add 64.0, right? Plus plus 60 plus plus 64.0. Okay. After that, 10.0.64 into plus 64, 128, correct? 128.0 plus 64, again 64.0. Okay, dot 0. So 64, again we need to do this plus 64.0. So again, if you are going for 10.0.0.128 plus 64, how much? Calculate. We have a calculator, right?
190.
One. I'm not good in maths. 192, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
192.0 plus 64.0. Okay. So again 10.0.192 plus 64, it will become like around 256, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
256.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes,
256. So 256 will be a invalid, right? So
yes, correct.
invalid. So what is our block size? Number of portion. Number of portion is equal to 4, right? So total how many networks we found? Total network we found one, first network, second network, third network, and the fourth network. The fifth network will be invalid because it is a 256, correct? So we
Yes,
no
sir.
need to do this. And after that 10.0.0.10.64, whatever that is, you need to 10 dot, let me go with this 10.0 dot what is that, 127, right? 127.64, right? So it will become like 192 and 68. Okay, that is also network, that is also network. So broadcast ID will become our 10.0 dot, what is that, 128. So what, 127.255 will be our broadcast ID. For the third one, for the third one will become our 10.0.128. So 191. Okay, 191.255. Again, we are having 192. Before that, 191 it will become, right? So after that, again we are having one more, like that will be 10.0.192 plus to 255.255 will become our last broadcast ID for this network. Okay, because our 256 is invalid, correct? So before that 255 is a valid, correct? So this will become our broadcast ID, and number of valid host. Valid host will become what? 16,384. In every network, in this network, you can connect 16,382 users. In this network also you connect this much user. In this network also you can connect this much of user. In this network also you can connect this many users into this by using a single IP. Okay, got it? Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now this is about what class? Which class? Which class? This is about the
Class
class
B.
B. Okay.
Class B.
Now we will go with the class A. So class A will become our. So now class A. Let's suppose we are having. Tell me any IP. So I'll do that. Just a minute. So class A also will do the same thing. Okay. Subnet mask, and then I'm just looking for that particular IP. So this is about.
Shall I tell, sir?
Uh,
IP.
yeah, class. This class 10.0.0. This was about class. I think class B were completed, right? Class B were completed in the 10.0 series. In the same way, we can use a class C also. Okay, just a minute. So in the class C, let's suppose you can use any network, or we can do by tomorrow this because Hussein, I'm having another batch. Okay, so you guys just understand about this class B network. Okay, Hussein.
Okay, sir.
I'm sending this PDF to into this group. You guys can download. Okay,
Okay, sir.
desktop, and what is that?
Yes, sir.
Um, FLSM class B, right? class B, or you can class B. For this class B, I used it. Okay. So I'm just sending you guys this one. Tomorrow at the same time, we will meet you, and we'll complete FLSM along with VLSM also. Okay. Got it? And along with we are having one channel, YouTube channel. From there you guys can for the previous session, if you wanted to, if you wanted to, here there is no attachment option. I will send you in the WhatsApp group, Hussein. If you guys wanted to see our previous classes, this is our YouTube channel. Okay, this is our YouTube channel,
Sir,
the
can you
Firewall Cafe.
sir, can you drop the channel name on the chat, please?
Yeah, sure. This is our Firewall Cafe. Okay, Firewall Cafe. Here you guys will get FortiGate, Palo Alto, and many more things in the free. Okay, all the concept you cannot find this much of content about this FortiGate firewall and CCNA in another channels. Okay, so this is our mine, our Firewall Cafe. Okay, so you guys can go, and without space you can type the Firewall Cafe here. I'm just giving you the this card. I'm just texting you the Firewall Cafe. This is my YouTube channel. So you guys can go and just follow that channel. Okay, subscribe and follow. We are just going to start CCNP also along with FortiGate Firewall, Palo Alto, and very soon we will start. I will start SD-WAN technology also. So better to guys, you just guys go for that. Go and subscribe the channel. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow I'm just going to prepare one